Happy Halloween! We're getting there. Good to see you. Today we're going to do a drawing of a voodoo baby. A voodoo doll. A VooDooBaby doll. Here we go. Halfway down the page is going to be a line. And above that's going to be her head. And down here is going to be her body. And so we're going to start with a fairly big circle for her head. Notice I'm not quite touching that line. I might even raise it up a little bit. There we go. Next we're going to give her a little hair right here. Give her a little bow right here. And put the head down this far so we have room for this big bow. Boom, and coming down on this side. And maybe a little wrinkly crinkle. We can change this later. I think I'll make this bigger. There we go. Now, her hair is going to be parted and coming across this way. And then go down this way. Around her face. Okay. Right about halfway down. I'm going to put her eyes. Let's see if this works out. Right there, a little nose, and the mouth is going to be right where I have this line. Going to curl up a little bit, and then the chin is going to be below that. That's a nice face. Okay, here we go. Nose, nostril, nostril, a little shading, just to get this started. Right here we're going to have a button eye, nice big button eye. And across from that, we will have a regular eye. Yeah, there we go. And now that hair can come, I think, further down this way. Big round iris pupil part inside. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Lashes. Okay, I've added a few details while you were gone. Where were you, by the way? You missed it all. Okay, so I've added a little couple of slashes for hands, details on the hands. I gave the baby a bonnet. I'm going to add the legs right now on her. I may move her dress up a bit. Yeah, let's do that. I need this shorter right here. Let's move it up just a bit. There we go. Now, the reason I did that was because I want to have the leggings show. Yeah, that's part of a dress there. That's better. And then the leggings. I'm detailing her bow with some skull heads. What else, right? For a zombie like her. Actually, she's a voodoo doll, but I don't know. Maybe she is a zombie. Well, let's add some color to our voodoo baby, shall we? So I mixed up a little bit of watercolor paint here with a really pale color for her face. Quickly apply this. Fast forward now. And now I'm going to do her dress. Sort of a dingy blue watercolory kind of look to it. Again, maybe take my paper towel and get rid of some of the excess paint. Wow, here we go, some last details. We're going to outline everything. We're going to do her eye and the stitching on her face. Just a minute, so we're going to fast forward this guy right about now. Ladies and gentlemen, I've finished her. There she is, the VooDooBaby, complete with her own VooDooBaby. I detailed the hair, I outlined the hair, I did back and forth purple over this beige color to suggest sort of a burlappy texture to the baby and the VooDooBaby herself. Wow, looking good. Have a happy Halloween, alrighty? Everybody have a happy Halloween. Please subscribe.